Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I'm art antique restorer and artist too. Working in art long time ago was no opportunity to buy your canvas stretched on the frame, and we did it to ourselves from the scratch, building the frames and preparing a linen, just preparing a linen what was around, and instead of gesso we buy now, we actually made it by ourselves. But today this video will be about how I am doing actually stretching the canvas on my frame. This is the frame, and I cut it already, the linen. I will show how that actually goes. Okay, first to put the things in center, to have some perspective with what you're doing. Then just like this, follow the frame, lift it up like this, using nails, because was the only way to do that, the nails. One, then the other one going right in the corner, trying to stretch this properly. Good. Other side. Right. Good. We will turn that upside down, and to do the same thing, the other side of the frame. Right. Good. Again in the corner, trying to stretch this as much as you can. Right. Another nail in the corner, and then other side too. Right. Then we have other side. Following all the time if something is maybe overstretched or not stretched enough. As mean, we go with the one here in the middle. Right. Then we go other side. Same thing. Stretching. Good. Right. Well, it's going pretty fast, as you can see. We turn that upside down. Again, stretching a little bit more. One nail here. Another one. Good. These nails are pretty sharp and penetrating nicely in the wood. And in your finger too. If you're not careful, you will punch your finger easily. Right. Stretching. Another one here in the middle. Another one here. That's good. Right. Okay, checking all the time. Right, again. Good. When we finish with this operation, we will go straight away with applying gesso. Good. All right. Good. Not all nails are sharp enough. Okay. Right. Okay, let's see what we did. Right, this side. Good. Here. Good. Another one here. Good. Good. And this is now looking pretty good. Only to work on the corners. Just to do this operation in this way. Okay. This one. This one here. Good. This one. Right. As you can see, job is done. This is good all around. We will just cut nicely straight a little bit more what we have on the side, and then we will think about applying a gesso on this one, what I have ready. Before this we will iron a little bit to make it smooth and nice, and this will be for this video all. I hope you actually have an idea for you to do that at home. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you all the best if you will try to do this at home. It's very simple. All the best. Good luck. Bye bye.